All right, video number 2 for technology, new stuff for me. This resource is called LogIt. I chose this one. It's one I've never heard of, actually, just doing some research. Basically, you use it for your students to log their steps, and you can make it competitive. And I can monitor everything. That's why I chose this one. I thought it'd actually be something we could use because we do have pedometers at our school. And we have a bunch of them, so we could actually make that piece of the technology available to all the students, and then we could also log it at our school. They all of our students have Chromebooks and everything, so I could just have the teachers tell their kids to bring them to PE that day, and we could get on here and log everything. Then I can manage it and keep it going. Obviously, this will be for my students. That's the grade level. The goals for this would just to be to get our students moving and get them competitive, and even when they're outside of school, and just be able to keep track of their steps and see how far they walk in maybe a certain amount of time. If we do a month or 2 month lesson on this, it'd be pretty fun. Or unit, sorry, on this. The standards I chose for this one are 1B, which is to just ensure that all students basically have access to the technology, which they would because they all have Chromebooks to log it, and they all have the pedometers to keep track of how many steps they're taking each day. And then the other is 1D, and it's just to cultivate responsible online behavior, and then including being safe with technology. So obviously they would be online in our PE class, so I'd be able to monitor everything and make sure they were being smart. And then a pedometer is already safe. I mean, you just put it on your belt loop or whatever on your waistband, so that wouldn't be an issue either. But I think this one would actually be a really cool one for us, and I'm kind of glad I found it because this would be a lot of fun because we do have a ton of those pedometers, so it'd be easy for us to get those to the kids and just have them, even if they just wore it during school for the day and didn't actually take it home. We could have to figure that out, but it would be pretty cool.